could pick up a knife every day without thinking about it. However, that simple cutting tool contains 3 million years of human history. Before cities, before fire, before words, there was the cut. This is more than the story of a tool. This is the story of how humans learned to control food, survival, and ultimately, civilization. The evolution of the kitchen knife. 3 million years of cutting history. 3 million BC to 2 million BC. 3 million years ago, there were no knives, no tools, just stone. A rock strikes another rock. A sharp edge appears. And for the first time in history, something could cut flesh faster than teeth. This wasn't invention, it was discovery. 2 million BC to 1 million BC. The first intentional knives. Now humans strike stones to give them a sharp shape. These are the first intentional knives. Still crude, still dangerous, but revolutionary. Cutting food meant faster eating, and faster eating meant more energy for the brain. But cutting raw meat was only the beginning. 1 million BC to 500,000 BC. Fire changed everything. After the discovery of fire, suddenly, knives meet cooked food, softer meat, easier slicing. Knives begin to stay near hearths, the first kitchens. 500,000 BC to 100,000 BC. Control and craft. In this era, the knife was not only just sharp, it was controlled. Some stones are wrapped with fibers, not for beauty, but for safety. Blades become symmetrical, edges sharper, grip matters. 100,000 BC to 50,000 BC, the birth of the handle. This moment changed everything. Stone meets wood, blade meets handle. The knife becomes an extension of the human hand, precise, safe, repeatable. 50,000 BC to 25,000 BC, specialization begins. Humans learned that one knife is not enough for all things, so they tried to make different knives for different things. One blade for meat, one for plants, one for skin, one for fruits and vegetables. The knife becomes many knives. 25,000 BC to 10,000 BC, obsidian knife. In this era, these obsidian knives used, which were very sharp. These knives slice cleanly, precisely. 10,000 BC to 7,000 BC, Mesolithic age, flint. Obsidian knives were used in this era. The knives of this era were based on these technologies. Microliths, backed knives, flake and blade knives, burins, 7,000 BC to 3,000 BC. Neolithic and early Eneolithic age, the knives made of flint, obsidian, and early copper. Early copper knives appear but are soft. In this era, metal replaced the stone. 3000 BC to 1200 BC. Bronze Age kitchen knives. Material, bronze. Consistent blade shapes. Used in domestic kitchens and temples. First, dedicated cooking knives. 1200 BC to 500 BC. Iron Revolution. Material, iron. Stronger, cheaper blades. Wider adoption across classes. Roman kitchens standardized blade profiles. 500 BC to 500 AD, early steel. Material, carbon steel. Clear separation between weapon knives and kitchen knives. Knife becomes a household necessity. Dedicated kitchen knife. 500 AD to 1000 AD. Medieval utility knives. Material, forged steel. Medieval kitchens rely on one knife for everything. One knife for all tasks. Simple, thick blades. 1000 AD to 1500 AD. Material, improved steel. Professional kitchens develop specialized blades. Sharpening techniques improve. Functional diversity. 1500 AD to 1800 AD. Metallurgical refinement. Material, high carbon steel. Thinner, sharper blades. Distinct European and Japanese styles. Balanced handles. 1800 AD to 1900 AD. Industrial standardization. Material, machine forged steel. Mass production. Knife sets introduced. Stainless steel development begins. 1900 AD to 2000 AD, the modern kitchen knife. Factories replace forges. Knives enter every home. Stainless steel appears. Hygiene improves. Stainless steel rust resistance, improved hygiene, widespread household adoption, advanced alloys, plastics, ergonomic handles, precision balancing, professional culinary influence, conceptual knife stage, human-centered design. 2000 AD to 2025 AD, material science era, material, powder steel, ceramic, laser-cut blades, extreme sharpness, hybrid knife materials, conceptual knife stage, engineered blade. 2025 AD to 2050 AD, smart assistance knives, material, composite alloys, self-monitoring edge wear, embedded safety features, AI cutting guidance. 2050 AD to 2080 AD, intelligent blade systems knives, material, nanostructured metals, self-sharpening edges, adaptive blade stiffness, nutritional and safety integration, conceptual knife stage, intelligent tool. From accidental stone edges to intelligent nanoblades, the kitchen knife evolved to reduce effort, increase precision, and integrate human intent with material science. If you feel this video interesting, hit like and subscribe to Food Age TV for more evolution documentaries.